In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Outlook on your desktop in just about 5 minutes. Setting up Outlook on your desktop can streamline your email management and help you keep track of meetings, tasks, and calendars more effectively. So let's dive right into it and seamlessly bring Outlook onto your desktop. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It can be any browser you feel comfortable using, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Once your browser is up and running, head over to Google's homepage. You can easily do this by typing google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Using Google as your search engine will help us quickly find the download page for Microsoft Outlook without any hassle. Now that you're on Google, go ahead and click into the search bar. Here we're going to type in Microsoft Outlook download. By doing this search, we're looking to find the official download link for Microsoft Outlook from the Microsoft website itself. This ensures you're downloading a legitimate, safe version of the software, avoiding any unofficial sites that may host malware or outdated versions. After you've typed in the search query, press enter to initiate the search. The results will generally pop up in a matter of seconds. Look through the search results for the result titled "The New Microsoft Outlook for Windows and Microsoft 365." This should be one of the top results since it's an updated version directly from Microsoft. Click on this link and it will take you to Microsoft's official page dedicated to Outlook. Once you've landed on the Microsoft Outlook page, you'll want to scroll down a bit. What we're looking for here is the option to download. This section may appear as a button or link that simply says download. The key is to ensure you can identify this download section on the page. It's typically prominently displayed, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. As soon as you spot the download button, go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger the download of the Outlook installer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to confirm the download or choose a location to save the file. If you're given the choice, select a location that's easy for you to remember where the installer will be saved, perhaps your desktop or a designated downloads folder. Once the download is completed and the installer is ready, proceed to open the file. If prompted by your system's security, confirm that you allow the application to make changes. This is a standard check to keep your computer safe. Now follow the on-screen instructions in the installer. These steps are pretty straightforward, guiding you through until the installation is complete. After Outlook has been successfully installed, it's time to place it conveniently on your desktop. Locate the Outlook program from your system's start menu or wherever it's installed. Once you find it, right-click on the Outlook icon and look for the option that says Send To, and then select Desktop Create Shortcut. This action creates a shortcut right on your desktop, making it easily accessible anytime you need to launch Outlook. And there you have it, you've successfully put Outlook on your desktop in just a few easy steps. By following these instructions, you'll be able to manage your email and appointments more efficiently directly from your desktop without needing to navigate through menus each time. Remember, having quick access to your email client like Outlook can significantly enhance productivity, especially if you frequently send and receive emails or rely on digital calendars to manage your time. Let's quickly recap. We started by searching for Microsoft Outlook on Google, navigated to the official Microsoft download page and simply downloaded the installer. We then followed the straightforward installation process and created a shortcut on the desktop for easy access. By freeing up time spent opening multiple tabs and searching for your chosen mail client, you've created a seamless workflow that prioritizes ease and efficiency. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in setting up Outlook on your desktop. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips. Until next time, happy emailing.